Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Acronis Cyber Protect beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Acronis website. Locate the download section. Select the appropriate version of Acronis Cyber Protect for your operating system. Click the download button. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. If prompted by Windows User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The Acronis installation wizard will launch. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Click OK to confirm your selection. Read the license agreement carefully. Once you've reviewed it, click I accept the agreement. Select the installation type that best fits your needs. For a standard installation, choose Typical. Click Next to proceed. You can choose to customize the installation location if desired. To install in the default location, simply click Next. The wizard will then prepare the installation. Once the preparation is complete, click Install to start the actual installation. This step may take several minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the installation wizard. The Acronis Cyber Protect application will now be. Double-click the Acronis icon to open the software. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account or log in. Complete any necessary updates if prompted. You are now ready to begin using Acronis Cyber Protect. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.